chat for a second here about final exams. Let me go ahead and share with you. Actually, you know what? I think I'll just go actually to my homepage because I updated it with the final schedule. So I just want you to see that it is there. So on Monday, I will not see you. Okay, that's the issue because you have a period 2 final and then you just have your afternoon classes. So I will not see you again until Tuesday, which happens to be the day of your final. So I will see you period 3. So that is it after lunch. I will see you at 11:45. So basically we'll have an hour to kind of wrap things up, answer questions. I will probably have to do a few speaking finals if I have anybody that hasn't finished that yet. And it'll just kind of be study time. And then we'll actually do our written final. If you need more clarification because you don't remember what's on your final, let me show you where to look. So you can look one of 2 places. You can either click on your current lesson or you can click under class resources. It is in both places. All right, I'll go ahead and click current lesson and show you it's right here. Okay, here's some other things, suggestions that you can work on, a couple practice activities and Quizlet down here. So if you click on this document, you will see the exam overview. I already went through that with you a few days ago, but if you forget or you weren't here, you should click on that and you can see what exactly is on the final and how it's set up and da 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 da. What I will tell you is basically there's going to be some listening, there's going to be some, and then there's going to be some like short answer. Okay, so the best things I can tell you to study, if I had to tell you 3 things to study, I would say number 1, vocab, go back, Quizlet. Okay. All the listening and the reading are heavily based on vocab. Number 2, present tense verbs and reflexive. Okay. Would be a big topic because we spent a lot of time on that. All right. So if you know your present tense endings, oh, as, almost on, etc., and then you put the may or the te or the say with them, that makes it reflexive. There were a few stem changers in there. So if you go back, if you came to class at all, I gave you a big packet and that should have some reflexive review on there. Otherwise, go to current class resources and you can go through until you find the review on reflexive. So that would be a big topic. And of course, the other big topic will be preterite, the past tense. We've been working really hard on that recently. You would expect AR, ER, and IR verbs. Okay, regular past tense verbs. And then I would expect you to be able to handle car, gar, zar verbs. And I would expect you to be familiar with SARE and EAR. So those I would say are the highlights for the test on Tuesday. Any questions for the good of the group? Any questions on the test? Because then I will let people that have already done their speaking go, and then I will finish up on the speaking finals. So anybody have any general questions on the final exam or when it is or when you need to show up or where to find that information? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? Okay. Then last reminder would be to check Skyward. I did say I would accept any missing assignments through the end of the day. So if there's anything you have not done yet, please do it. Get me your points. If it's like a textbook or assignment or something, email me, message me, because I won't check that. I won't notice it unless you email me. All right. Okay, let me tell you who I think has done their speaking, and then I will let you go if you have. No, it's just a regular final. Okay, finals they count. Everybody has to take it. Yeah, every department is doing things differently. World language is just your traditional final. It does count, and everybody has to take it. Okay. All right. Let me tell you who I think has already gone and then may leave this Zoom basically as soon as you hear your name, and I will see you on Tuesday. Vanessa, Deja, Sylvia, Quentin, Morgan, Abdullah, Reddick, Tucker, Charles, Bryson, Nora, Dalia, Muta, and Naya. I believe all of you have done your speaking and you are welcome to leave. If you have any other questions, feel free to message me, or I guess I've got some in the chat. Oh, speaking, are you still here? I don't know if he's still here. Yeah. Okay. So the speaking final, once it's done, I won't put that as a separate grade from the rest of your final. So if you really want to know how you did, send me a message, email me, and I will message you back with how you did on that part of the final. Okay. All right. Let me see who's left. So, okay. See you, Reddick. Vanessa, I just went over kind of the overview of the final. You've already done your speaking, so you're welcome to leave. Check the current lesson if you want to read more about your actual final.
Okay.
And then I think everybody else, we just need to do this. So,
Okay.
oh, are you good, Vanessa?
Yeah,
Okay,
bye.
I counted you present. So, hasta Tuesday. Hasta
Monday.
martes.
Monday, Miss.
Monday, you just have your period 2 final, so I won't see you.
Yeah, I thought we were taking my final. Like,
Oh, yeah. I forgot you are. Yes, I do have a note about that. Yes. Okay. So, right. Sorry. Thanks for reminding me, Vanessa. I do have it written down. So I'll see you at 9 a.m., right?
yeah.
Okay. Thanks for reminding me. I do have it written down.
Bye.
See you Monday, Vanessa. Okay. So everybody else, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put you in a breakout room and you can kind of just practice until I get to you. And once I get to you, I will ask you to make sure your notes are put away and I will share the questions with you. The questions do not have to be memorized and you can look at them while you're answering them. And remember, you get one pass. So there was one group I said you didn't have to study.